CapitalView provides a quick and easy way to fetch all the bank transactions into Microsoft Excel for the US and European banks. This demo video shows how to do that. First, we create a user account and start connecting personal bank accounts. We select the bank's location and bank name where you have an account. Giving permission to read access to the transactions data. When bank accounts are linked, we install the Excel add-in that will populate the data into a spreadsheet. Also, copying personal token ID for authentication. And finally, start enjoying the data without unnecessary logins to bank account systems. Try now how it works with your bank accounts for free and take the control over personal finance to the new level.